In this video, I will show you how to enable HDMI ARC on your Sony Smart TV. And in case you do not know, ARC or ARC actually stands for Audio Retention Channel, which actually helps you to get the best audio quality when a speaker or any soundbar is connected to your Sony Smart TV using HDMI. Over here, I have the Sony Google TV, but it doesn't really matter the type of Sony Smart TV you have. Whether you have the Sony Android TV or the old Sony Bravia TV, following similar steps, you should be able to enable the HDMI ARC or eARC of your Sony Smart TV. Now to do this, you want to head over to the settings icon at the top right corner of your Sony Smart TV, or just go ahead and open up the settings of any Sony Smart TV you have. Now from the settings, you just want to scroll down to the display and sound settings over here, click on it. And from here, you want to scroll down to where you have audio output over here, go ahead and click on it. Now scroll down until you get to the eARC mode over here. Now this is actually the enhanced audio retention channel, which is basically what eARC stands for. It is actually an advanced form of the eARC, which is ARC. Now go ahead and select it, and from here you can now turn on the HDMI ARC of your Sony Smart TV. So you can just go ahead and click on OK, and automatically HDMI ARC or eARC has been turned on your Sony Smart TV. So you can now go ahead and connect a soundbar or just any speaker to your Sony Smart TV using HDMI. You also want to make sure that that particular HDMI device is connected to the HDMI ARC or eARC port on your Sony Smart TV. So usually there are several HDMI ports that are on your Sony Smart TV. Make sure you connect it to the port that is labeled HDMI ARC or eARC. And once you do that, you're good to go. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.